On this video I'm gonna be changing the oil on my 2013 Ford F-150, and I hope this is useful for anybody that is looking to change their oils, especially if you have a Ford F-150. I use the 5W20 full synthetic. If you're not sure about your car, make sure to look on your owner's manual or go to any auto parts store. For this procedure, you just need your oil, the oil filter, funnel, a 15mm wrench, pliers, and some racks. You can use gloves if you want. You're also gonna need a bucket so that you can drain your old engine oil. So first, you want to let the engine cool for probably 30 minutes, and that's gonna allow the engine to cool down and to drain all the way down to the oil pan. And then you want to have enough access to get under the truck, and you're going to find the bolt for the oil pan. Is that if you're going to be using ramps, you want to make sure that you are engaging the handbrake and that you have an extra protection on the rear tires so that the truck doesn't come off the ramps. Okay, so you're gonna get underneath the car. You're gonna look for the oil pan. This is the oil pan. This is gonna be the bolt. You're gonna unscrew it and you're gonna drain the oil to the oil pan. And this is the way you want it to look. Nice and clean. There is no oil, which means there are no leaks. So you're gonna use a 15mm wrench. You're gonna unscrew it. We're gonna be using our 15mm wrench. We're gonna remove the bolt. And we're gonna let it drain. For the oil filter, it is located all the way down by the engine. And once you remove it, you will install your new filter just like it is right now. Okay, so now we're gonna remove the oil filter. This is the oil filter, and it is a lot easier if you remove it from underneath the truck. And you want to have your bucket because oil is gonna be coming down from this part right here. Okay, so we're going to clean this area so that whenever we come back to change the oil, if we see oil, it means that there's a leak, and if it's clean, it means that it's okay. Now this is the part where you don't want to over tighten the bolt because you can strip the thread, so you want to go very slow. Okay, next we're gonna grab our new oil filter and we're gonna open up the new engine oil, and we're gonna grab just a little bit of the new oil, and we're gonna put it on top of the new oil filter seal, just like so. Okay, and this is done so that for the next time that we take it out, it comes out easy. And then we're gonna install it the same way that we took out the other one. So now we're gonna remove our oil cap and we're gonna pour inside the oil. So this is a 5.0 V8 and it takes 7.7 quarts of engine oil. Your car is gonna be a lot different. Okay, for the last step, after you get the truck off the ramps, you let the engine run for around 5 to 10 minutes. Then you just turn it off, let the engine cool down, and then you're gonna check your dipstick to see where the oil level is at. If it's too low, add more oil. If it's way too much, you have to get underneath the truck and remove the bolt once again and let some oil out. If it's okay, then leave it like that and check it the next morning. Check the level the next morning. Also, if you have a Ford vehicle, you will have to reset the engine oil change soon warning. By doing that, you go to the buttons on your steering wheel and you reset the engine oil warning light. Okay, and this is how to change the oil on your truck or your car. Don't forget to check your dipstick. If you need more oil, add more oil. If you have more oil, take out some of the oil. And you can also check the oil level the next day just to make sure. And I hope you find this helpful, and thank you for watching.